Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, this Samhita means Vedic literature. There are many rascals, they say that Bhagavad was not written by Vyasa. It was written by some Bopudev. They say like that. Mayavadis. The Nirisharvadi, because although Nirisharvadi or Mayavadi leader Shankaracharya, he wrote comments on Bhagavad Gita, but he could not touch Srimad Bhagavatam. Because in the Srimad Bhagavatam, the things are so nicely set up, Chittanukrama, that it is not possible by the Mayavadis to prove that God is impersonal. They cannot do it. Nowadays they are reading Bhagavatam in their own way, but that does not appeal to any sane man. Sometimes I have seen a big Mayavadi is explaining one verse from Srimad Bhagavatam that because you are God, therefore, if you are pleased, then God is pleased. This is that. You do not require to please God separately. So if you are pleased by drinking wine, then God is pleased. This is the explanation. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has condemned this Mayavadi commentary. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has said, Mayavadi bhasya sunile hoy sarvanash. Mayavadi Krishna aparadhi. He has plainly said, no compromise. The Mayavadis, they are great offender to Krishna. Tanaham visata kruran, Krishna also says. They are very, very envious to Krishna. Krishna is Dibhuj Muralidhar, Shyamasundar. And the Mayavadi explains that Krishna has no hand, no leg. This is all imagination. How much offensive it is, they do not know. But to warn people like us, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has plainly warned that don't go to Mayavadi. Mayavadi bhasya sunile hoy sarvanash. Mayavadi hoy Krishna aparadhi. This is the statement of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So you should be very, very careful. Don't go to hear any Mayavadi. There are many Mayavadis in the dress of Vaishnava. See, Bhaktivinoda Thakur has explained about them that evo to ek kolir chala, nake tilok golaye mala. That here is a follower of Kali, although he has got a tilak on the nose and neck beads, but he is a Kolit Chala. If he is Mayavadi, Sahaj bhajan kocche mamu sange loye porer bala. So these things are there. You have come to Vrindavan. Be careful, very careful. Mayavadi Bhasya Sangha. There are many Mayavadis here, many so-called Tilak Mala, but they do not know what is there inside. But great acharyas, they can find out. Shruti Sriti Puranani Panchratri ki Vidigmina Vaikant ki Harer Bhakti Utpataya Kalpate. They create disturbance. Therefore, we have to follow the Goswamis. Goswami literature, especially Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, which we have translated in the Nectar of Devotion. Every one of you should very carefully read and make progress. Don't be victimized by the Mayavadi so-called Vaishnava. It is very dangerous. Therefore it is said, Sasanghita Bhagavatim Kittanukrama Atmajam. It is very confidential subject matter. He taught it, instructed to Sukadeva Goswami.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.